Hi, I'm Charles, the videographer for Steve Bloomquist. You know, the Texas flying real estate agent. I think you will enjoy today's adventure. Welcome to Arkansas. Welcome to the Kodiak. John Young of MidContinent Aviation has invited us to come experience flying in the backcountry of northern Arkansas, but more importantly, a chance to experience firsthand the performance and stall characteristics of the 2017 Quest Kodiak. This is going to be fun. We arrived at Gaston's Resort on Friday evening and planned to spend the weekend meeting new people and becoming familiar with some backcountry airstrips and, of course, the Kodiak. After a good night's sleep, looks like everyone's off to their favorite activities. Today we're going to follow the Kodiaks. But first, a pre-flight briefing with John Young and Scott Warren on what to expect. Yeah, we got this. Okay, you guys ready to fly? Enjoy the tune, Can't Go Home, from the Vinyl Stripes.
I'll turn this hero on. Okay, this one's on.
Okay.
So we're good. Got cameras rolling? Okay, we're good.
Kodiak Flight 4 departing
Because we're with them.
That's right. We're with the big dogs.
Yeah. The big dog.
Big dogs. And there's Dan all by himself. Yep. All right, make sure his propeller's set.
You're on proper
Feel on
tank.
proper tank.
Let's go.
Let's blast to it.
Let's go. That's taking off 6.
Here we go. We're out of here.
Oh, wow, we're bouncing. We're climbing up. We're going.
You like this, Ben?
Yeah.
Better than sitting at home playing your iPad all day, isn't it?
Yeah.
As we made our way southwest from Gaston's, we could barely see the Kodiaks ahead of us. But that was okay. We had so much to take in. As the Kodiaks landed on a short grass strip, Steve, Ben, and I took advantage of a nice flyby. This is what makes aviation such a dream.
Ah, piece of cake.
And with all the rolling hills, creeks, and winding roads below you, you just get caught daydreaming. Till a little gust of wind wakes you up.
Wee-haw! That's what the seatbelt's for.
About 15 minutes later, we were headed to our first mountaintop landing. Steve's up for the challenge, but hopefully the Kodiaks have moved off the runway.
Yeah, Skywagon's going to go ahead and go around. I didn't give you enough time. Sorry about that. No problem. I just didn't give enough time.
Cars. Actually.
Score. Steve landed like an ace. And we were happy to get another opportunity to hang out with the folks and the Kodiaks. Before too long, we made our way off to our last stop of the day, lunchtime, at Bird's Adventure Center. It's been a long day, a lot of excitement. It's time to catch some Z's. Get ready for our hand at the Kodiaks on the water. Hope we can sleep for all the anticipation. Part 2 of our adventure will be uploaded soon. As always, subscribe to our channel. Comment and feedback is always welcome. And until next time, fly safe.